If you've been paying attention to the housing market, you already know that mortgage rates have been rising very quickly since the beginning of the year. Home prices are still at an all-time high historically, and mortgage payments on a whole are simply just getting more expensive. That begs the question for many prospective buyers, is buying a home in 2022 the right decision? Well, despite the financial challenges of the current market, there are plenty of reasons why buying a home is still a good idea, especially in the Bay Area. With rising interest rates, inventory is up a little. That means there are a few more homes to choose from, so you're more likely to find a house you love and get your offer accepted now more than ever. Homeownership gives you a fixed housing cost and ultimately provides the freedom that renting doesn't offer. Nevertheless, buying a home can sometimes be overwhelming. So I want to offer you a free ticket to attend a 60-minute online workshop to help you understand all of your home buying options. Regardless of what happens in the market, there are ways to effectively coordinate your deal based on your specific circumstances. My goal is to show you what those options are and guide you toward what works best for you. I'm going to answer all of the questions you must ask before you start your home search. We'll show you how to pick the right house, how to submit an offer so that it gets accepted, how to know what a home is really worth before you make an offer, what to look out for in the inspection process, how to find off-market homes for sale that you will not find on Zillow or the internet, also how to sell your current home and buy at the same time, what you need to know before buying if there's an HOA, and so much more. You know, what clauses to look for in the contract, and more and more. So we want to help you get pre-qualified for a mortgage when you attend so that you will know exactly how much home you can afford and what your payments will look like, as well as we'll provide you with all cash offer programs so that you can submit an offer that's not contingent on financing. This will make your offer stand out that much more. Ultimately, this is going to be a great opportunity for buyers that are looking to enter the market. So grab yourself a ticket and I'll see you at the workshop. And you'll receive instructions to attend the live online event after you register. So thanks for tuning in.